Vale.
Can you see the screen?
Yes, we can see the screen.
Okay,
Yeah.
so before somebody else is saying that I'm using Pro, you can see from here, it is free. I'm not using any Pro. They're not even telling me to claim my free trial. So the essence of we knowing this is that you can see that there are some designs that have been done already, right? You can see a lot of designs. But if you are starting first, you will not see any type of design there. A lot of designs done with Canva, okay? And see them different of them. So those of you who are new and this is your first time meeting me, my name is William Sanaba, and this is RIM Institute, free online Canva tutorials. We are taking our time to train you for free so that you'll be able to use Canva to be able to do whatever you want to do with your social media handle, flyer designs, or any other thing that you want to do. And if you want to get to advanced level, you want to do more than what our free courses here can cover, then that means you should be able to enroll with us. You can do it online. You can do it coming to our venue. We are located at Tema Community 25. Yes, the Goodness Filling Station, Community 25 Junction. You can take that route and then come down the DPS and you will find us not far from DPS International School. So what we do, we don't teach just like any other school that you go and you teach you. This is an institution. It's not even like a school. It's a training center. We train you, prepare you, and then you become what you want to be. After the courses, maybe we'll share our flyers on the platform that you see what we do. You can train yourself in media, you can train yourself in IT, whichever area you want to be. If you want to become a director in the digital or like a video director or film director, whatever you want to become, we can take you through. Within a short period of time, you'll be able to get the knowledge that you need. So with that being said, let's start what we want to do. I'll just take this time to explain things to you whilst we wait for those who are yet to join. I just want to give them like 15 minutes. If somebody's late 15 minutes, then the person will come and meet us that we have started. So this is just Canva interface, and I believe all of us, we have internet connection. If you don't have internet connection, I'm not sure you'll be able to join this meeting. So what you will do is that you go to your browser, either Chrome or any browser that you are using, and you type canva.com. This too, you can download it as an app on your phone or laptop. Then you easily open it without going to the browser anymore, and it will open like Facebook or any other application that you have. Then your designs and everything will be synchronized, whether you have used it on the website or you are used it on the app. Either way, you can still see all your works that you have done. So I just want to be sure that each and every one of us, we are on the same page. If you can quickly type this website, just type W on, you don't even need a www, just type canva.com, canva.com on your URL, or you can even search it on Google. They'll give you the link. So let me just search on Google Canva. Then you see it this way. This is the first one. This is how the logo looks like. You click on it, then you open. So when you open, you will see your interface this way. So if you have already done something on Canva, you should be hoping to see all the work that you have done there. But if you have not done anything with Canva, then you will not be seeing anything. And probably if it's your first time, you have never paid for any subscription, probably you'll be seeing something like this. So it depends on your skills, your level of your design skills that will determine whether you should take the premium or you shouldn't take the premium. I don't see it as something that is pushing me to go for it because almost everything that is in the premium, I can build it from scratch. So why do I go in for premium? That's why you are not seeing me using the premium. By using premium, that simply means you have more access to resources, to that of, what should I say, templates that you can easily use, just customize it, put your own details there, then it's already made. Then you can start using it. So it depends on you which approach you want to go. But for the start, what we are going to do right now, we are going to be using the free version of Canva, and I'll show you how to also subscribe for Pro later. If you are interested in subscribing for Pro, you can subscribe it, and then you get all these benefits that I was talking about. So without wasting much time, what is Canva and what can we do in Canva? Canva is just like an online software or tool that is similar to that of Photoshop or any other design tools. And now it has incorporated what we call the AI, where you can use AI to quickly generate something for you, like an image, or maybe get a logo design for you, or get some transcript for you, something like that. AI can be able to do more of that for you. I think somebody's mic is on. Let me see. So now, can I know anyone who has experience in Canva to tell us what he has used Canva for and what he has done with Canva before? Either a beginner, intermediate, any level that you are in Canva. Can we just hear something from you? Anyone? What you have used Canva for before? Yes.
My name is Mosana. On social media, they've been talking about using Canva to create an ebook and you make money and all that. So I just decided to give it a try. But I was able to do that, but then I couldn't transform it into the ebook. I didn't know how that works. So I got stuck. And then I was trying to also use it to create a logo for my business, but I'm not really getting the logo I wanted. So I think this class will help me to do that.
Okay.
It wasn't creating the logo, it just brought the business name, but I couldn't create the logo for me. So I
Okay.
got stuck at that point too. So yeah, I'm sure this class will help me to
Okay.
navigate my way around it.
Okay. Okay. Thank you very much for your contribution. And we are sure to also help you get to the level that you can at least find how easy things are done. And everything is just about your creativity, how you think. Whatever you think is possible. Okay. Sometimes if somebody tells you that something is not possible in this world, I would tell the person that it's a lie. Everything that you want to happen can happen. It only depends on you asking the right question and asking the right people, then you'll get it done. Because when you are at a place where you have a good team, where all of them they are asking the right questions and they are also trying to find solutions for those questions that are being asked, then you can be able to achieve anything, right? I think years back, we were seeing phones that were on TV, then they are using their hands as touch screen. And we were like, oh, this thing, they are just lying. It cannot be possible. You cannot be using your phone to just be pressing the screen and it's working because we believe that it is only the keypad phone that you know that you can press it, you hear the sound, and it is working. Now we have those phones that are smartphones. We can use our hands to touch and then do things. And a point, they started doing movies again and telling us that, oh, we can be able to create a robot that can cook for you, a robot that can do this for you. But we're like, oh, how can this be possible, right? But people were asking the right questions, and there were also other people who were doing the right thing by doing more research on how to get it done. So I'm just going to the chat to see what others are putting here. So I have Aisha, if I get your name right, Aisha, right? I am a beginner in Canva and I have used it for making my Instagram posts. Along with this, I made numerous notebooks design to publish online. That's fine. Okay. I used a template to create a thumbnail. That is Benjamin. That is nice. So you guys, you have some experience in Canva, which is very nice. Then now we can now delve into how we can really use it, whether you have pro access or you do not have pro access. All you have is your mind, your brain, then you'll be able to do things. So I'll just quickly show you some few things that I think some of you have been seeing it on social media, our social media handles, Rim Institutes. These are where some of them are being done, because when you don't have much time, you'll not be able to use Premiere Pro or After Effects to do some short videos. If you want to do a design and Photoshop, you don't have the idea already in your mind. You are thinking of where you can easily get it done. You are trying to meet a deadline, then you can quickly use that of Canva. And one of the good part is that Canva, maybe, let's say you are not familiar with Photoshop, you are not familiar with Premiere Pro or any of the editing suites. So what do you have to do? You resort to something that can at least be easy for you to quickly get your work done. This does not involve too many menus. You are seeing the menus here. That is all that you can be seeing. But when you go inside, then you'll be seeing it expanding a little bit. But for now, if you go to Photoshop, you see more than this as compared to what you are seeing on Canva. And Canva, okay, makes it simple. As you see here, we have what? Facebook. Facebook video. You want to create a Facebook video, just click on it. It will give you the size and everything. Then you start creating your Facebook video. You need a TikTok video. You need what? A sheet like Excel sheet. You need a document. You need to create a whiteboard. Anything that you want to create, they have already prepared them here for you, making it easy for you to create or to begin. And having this button here, create, when you click on create, this will pop up for you. Then you see a whole lot, whereby you see TikTok video, Facebook video, Instagram post. So this one is a post, not a video. So you will look at the differences. But the dimensions will be looking at the same. Okay. But now you come to this slider, you can see more mobile, Instagram story, video landscape, different templates or different sizes that you can use. So anyone that you click has some a number of templates in it. So I just clicked on one. You will see a number of templates. You can see that a number of templates that you can choose from. You see that different designs. So you see those with the crown, that means you have to pay before you can use it. Those without the crown, that means you can easily take it, customize it, and use it to do whatever you want to do. So I believe most of you are online already. You are on this platform.
Yes.
Are you on the platform? Because I want you to follow up. One thing I need to clarify here is that after this course, we have a participation certificate for you. And before you can get that participation certificate, you need to write some short examination to make sure that, oh, actually, you have been able to go through this Canva tutorials, you have been able to understand the concepts, and you know that, oh, when I use Canva, I can be able to do this, do that, do that, do that. And just as that, if you are able to pass that one successfully, we'll send you your certificate of participation. Are we good? So as you can see from here, templates are there. If you don't want this size, you can just close it and then, okay, can change another one. So I'll just quickly show you some of the things that we have done with Canva. Maybe if somebody has a different thing that he wants us to add. But today we'll be working around trying to just get a simple design done within like 5 minutes. You want a flyer done within 5 minutes with Canva. It is possible to get a short video about your social media, your business. You want to just put something, a short video with edited animations. You want it done within like 10 minutes. You can have it done on Canva. Are we okay? Please, any questions?
Yeah, I have a lot of questions.
A lot. Okay, so
Yeah.
make it brief so that I can
Oh,
quickly finish.
Yes, I want to know if you can use Canva to do a trailer, either a party, anything concerning videos.
Yes, you can do that.
So that is premium or
So let me explain this a little bit. With the premium and then that of the free, we have video quality, right? When you upload your video on that of the Canva software and you start editing. Now, what will determine whether you are using free or premium is the quality that you can export from that of the Canva software. They will not allow you to export something higher resolutions, but you can get like medium resolution, which still works very well. So let me not even talk that much. When we go to Facebook, we click on Facebook, and then we have Aya Top Tech. You can see their designs here. This was done in Canva. When you play it, you can see what is going on. They are just images that you are using to move. Others are videos blended together to create a story. This is done in Canva. The contacts, everything done in Canva. Okay. They want me to sign in, and I don't want to sign in. Why do you want me to sign in? So that was done in Canva. Let me look for another one again. Facebook. Then we look for RIM. Let's go to YouTube. You will not ask me for anything. YouTube. So quickly, we are on YouTube. We go to the Aya Top Tech, what we were just watching. You can see them here. When you come to Aya Top Tech, you can see this one was able to get 1.4K views. This done in Canva. They are all images. The sound, everything that you hear. I believe you guys can hear the sound.
I don't get the sound well.
Are you hearing the sound?
No, I can't hear the sound.
You can
No.
hear the sound.
Yes, please.
Oh, okay, then I have to check and see. Let me go to sharing. Sound was not selected. Can you hear the sound now? Okay,
Yes.
okay. So
Yeah.
that is just this one that we have done on Canva was able to get 1.4K views. All this, you can do it in Canva. Sound, everything. See that? So we can move on to another one. This different one. This is also done in Canva. All this done in Canva. Everything that you see here done in Canva. This is also done in Canva. So this one is no more hours. So let's look for RAIM Institute where we are. Let's talk about the school. It's a RAIM Institute. Let's go to the shots that we have. You can see from here, this was done in Canva. Everything that you see here. This movement, everything in Canva. No video software that was used. What you see there, that's Canva at work. This is the same as the other one, Canva. This was done in Canva.
Education is the passport to the future,
This was
for
also done in
tomorrow
Canva.
belongs to those who prepare for it today. A quote by
All this. So you can see all the things that we can do with Canva. All this. So let's not talk too much about the content. Let's now come into the interface here. So we have seen all the things that are being done in Canva, right? So that means
Yes.
if you want to create a short video, just like what you were saying, a trailer or something, you can be able to create it with Canva, right? The same as flyers, you can be able to create flyers, short videos, reels, all of them you can create in Canva. Canva is not limited to only that. You can create PowerPoint presentations. Are we okay? You can create them here and a whole lot. Any other question? Any other question?
No, please.
Okay, so
No.
since there's no question, let's see whether we can proceed and do something. So what are we creating today? Are we going to TikTok? Should we go to TikTok? Or where do you want us to go?
Yes, TikTok.
LinkedIn.
Hope everybody okay. Someone said
LinkedIn.
I know the next one talk.
TikTok.
So let's do
Oh,
something
no.
small on TikTok. I think
Yeah.
when we are able to get something nice done, then we'll go to LinkedIn, right? Is that okay? My
Okay.
brother, do you agree? Yes, I don't want to be biased here, or else they'll say I'm gender biased. So the lady said it first, so we'll start with the ladies. So starting with TikTok, you have gone to pick that of the templates that is there, the design, the phone size for TikTok, because we know very well that TikTok was designed for phone, not for desktop. I believe we know that. Do we all know that?
Yes, please.
Yes. So TikTok was not meant for desktop. So that is why when you even go to TikTok on that of desktop, all that you'll be seeing are in the view of phone, right? So the target is mobile phone users, not desktop users. So when you are designing that anything for TikTok and you go ahead and you take any shape, then that simply means you are going to cut some important parts of your design out, or it may look small and it will not look the way you want it to look like on the TikTok platform. So now we have taken TikTok. Now we can come here. We are seeing templates, right? When I take this, it's a template that I can just see. I can easily pick it, customize it, and then it can become a post for me. So I click on this. Now you can see I have the design inside my frame. It was not there before, but now I have it. You can see that. So whatever I want to do, maybe I wanted to design a flyer for a holiday or something. Now I have something like this. What I just have to do is that I can customize this. But first of all, how do you customize it? You must be able to know and what is made up of this design so that you can now be able to customize it. So you can see this, you can see that of this. That's the background, right? This is the background. And the background has a video there that is playing. So this video may not be what you want. There was a shadow on it. I removed the shadow. I don't know whether you observed. There was a shadow on it. I just removed it. I didn't need it. So I played this video. I know that I will need to replace this video if I want it to be what I want. Okay. So let's assume that you already have a video somewhere. So as you are watching this, you'll be getting clues on how to do designs. So I'm just going to look for active videos. I download something. And now I have it downloaded. I can just go to my downloads here and I'll see it here, downloaded here. So now what I can do is that I want to bring it into my design, but for me to do that, I'll go to my uploads, click on uploads, and then I can now click on upload file, and I'll go to my downloads. I click on the file that I want to upload, then I open it. I wait for it to load, then it will be uploaded. So it all depends on your network and that of the size of the file that you have and you want to upload. So you may take pictures of yourself, your shop, anything. You have to upload them here, and then you'll be able to use them. So you drag it from here, then you bring it. Can you see what happened? When I drag it out, can you see what is happening? When I drag it close to this point, see that it takes and replaces with what is already there. Can you see what's going on?
Yes, please.
So now it has taken over what was there. So anybody who's watching this can see that it's something about drinks, party, an event, or something. I getting it. So I have replaced that background video with that of a different video that is going to portray what I want to display in that of my listen. So I can double click it and adjust it to fit the place that I want it to be. Are we okay? So there are some points that maybe the key area that you want the video to show is not being covered on the phone, but you can see the video that you have. It's not fitting straightly to how the phone is, but you have to resize it to the location where you want it to fit. Has anybody been able to do something like this? Is anyone following? Hello?
Can you repeat?
What we just did, can you do this?
No, how
Those who are
do we have to double click it?
those who are new to Canva, please talk.
Do we double click it?
You said?
Do we double click the picture to resize it?
I'm not getting you. Can I resize it, or are you saying that I should change it with a picture? I'm
She
not
was
getting you.
saying, can you double click it?
When I double click it,
That's what she was asking.
can I resize it by double clicking? Yes, you can
Yeah.
you can. Yes, you can. You can resize it by double clicking. Yes. So here I would not like the video to go out. But if you want to resize it, you can see the edges here. You can resize it. But here it is the background that you are using. So you using the background, it's supposed to fit the frame. So if you want to use something that is, I'm coming, sorry. If you want to use something that is not that of the background, then you can import, you go to elements and you look for frames. Then you select any frame of your choice. Let me say this, then it comes in here. So this one, you can easily resize it the way you want it. But because that one is a background, it's supposed to fit from the top and then the down. Please, do you understand?
Yes, please.
So if I put this
Yes.
here, I can resize this to this. I can even make it this way. Now, what I just need to do is to get my video again, which is this, drag it. When I get to that point, it falls in it. So maybe my background, I don't want it to be a video. I want it to be something different. So I have something like this. When you play this video, there's some part of the design that is not covered with the video. And then other part is being covered with the video. Are we okay? But if you are using the background itself, you should know that whatever you're importing is either of this size, or you will see that some part of it will go out of it, which you cannot just crop it in. Are we good?
Yes.
Please, any other questions? Any questions so that I can continue?
No
So if the,
questions.
is it? Someone has a question. Anyone with a
No.
question?
No, please.
Okay, that's fine. So now that you have been able to import a video, you change the design has been changed. Maybe if you still wanted it to look like how it was earlier, Control Z, Control Z, Control Z, Control Z, Control Z. That is to undo, undo, undo. Then you are back to where you were initially with your video being on the background. That will show something like this. It is fine. If you want your video to blend into the background a little bit, you can choose this and blend it inside the background a little bit. So you can see the color blue is getting into that of the video a little bit. Can you see that? So you play it again, it looks a little bit different. And you can see that that of the write-up has shown more brighter than before because of you reducing the video. So now there's no conflict between that of the background and that of the writer. Are we good? Now we can choose to customize whatever that is here. You can now change it to whatever name that you want. So whatever event that you have, then you say what rim party, anything, party club, whatever you want. Then you will change the write-up here to whatever you want. Come and get free food for yourself and your friends. So if this is what you want, then you keep it that way. Now we are not in 2024, so we will change it to 2025. Then we are in September. Today's date is September 25th. So we can write 25 September, then we hit enter. We can have something like this. So you can see that it's easy to customize it to the way you want it. You double click on this, you can easily customize that. You can take all of it out. Then we'll grab anything you can customize. Then you go to that of, this is not okay for me. I'll go to that of the next one and I'll say, what is it? Dance, anything. So you can see that we can easily customize any template to become ready for you to be using at any moment. So when you click on this and play, you can see what is going on. I've just taken a template, I customize it, and it's working the way I want it to work. Are we good? Hello?
Yeah.
Yes.
Get
Yeah.
Now I want us to try and do the right thing. here has been renamed already. Maybe that is not the name that you wanted it to have. You can easily type the name of this project or this your design, and then you can easily recognize it when you are done working on it. So maybe I'll say tutorials 01. I click outside, I'm done. I finish changing this. So if I go back to home, I close this, I'll see tutorials 01 here. Have you seen that? So anytime I'm
Yes.
looking for this project, I will not find it difficult to locate it because I've named it the right way I want it. So I can continue my design. And when I'm done with this design, I can easily just come here and click on share, come down to download, then I click on it. Or because I use TikTok, I can just link it to TikTok and post it straight away. So let me just download this. When I click on download, you see that there is a video in it. So I would like to keep it as MP4. And you can see from here, we have a crown here. And there's the limit, the quality limit that you can reach. You remember there was somebody who asked about what is the difference between the premium and then the free. If you can adjust it to this level, that means you are paid for it. You can see what they are telling me. I should upgrade. So I should try Canva Pro for free. That means I can try it for free 30 days. I'll put my credentials and everything, then they'll give me free trial. I get it. You can also do it with your team members. All of you here can come together and say, okay, after this course, we want to all become a team member, and then we'll all build our projects together. So we'll contribute and buy the team package. So it will be less expensive as compared to being one person. So you buy the team one, then they'll give you all access. You can all design on your own individual projects, and then it will be a team kind of project. Are we okay? So I cannot increase this quality. What I see is all that I can get. Okay, there's some noise. Let me see. So when I click on download, I can choose to save these settings. And anytime I click on download, that's what it will keep. We can check what is inside here. You can see what is here. You can save it as an image. You can save as PNG, which is also an image without a background. So if those who are talking about designing logos, probably you should be learning much about how to save it on PNG. So when you want to save something on PNG, that simply means you have to remove the background from it. It shouldn't have a background, and then you save it. So it will just be a normal logo. You can copy it and put it. And then that of PDF, if you want to print it, if a design that you want to print, you can save it as a PDF for printing, and then you get the best quality as you want. But we have included a video. Want to see that video playing alongside, then I will just take the video, and then I'll download it. And I click on download, you can see that it starts to load from here. And when it's done, I'll see it here, downloaded. That's fine. So apart from this, there's a template that I just picked, and then I started working with it. I may choose not to use a template. I may choose to start from scratch, build everything by myself, get everything by myself, and I'll be fine with that. So we can also do that by creating another project. You see that the download has started. Okay, so now let me show you what we have here. You cannot see the video, right? Can you see the video?
Yes, you can see it now.
Okay. So this is a good quality, very good quality. You download it, you use it. Nobody knows where you have designed this from. You can see that. No watermark, nothing. So you can easily post this and use it. So I'll share this on the group right now. Those of you who maybe my screen is not making you see it well, I'll post it on the group right now, and then you see. So now we have been able to do all this. But now let's see what we did here the last time. When you click on this, this is built by your own self. So when you click on this, you will hear some sound.
Education is the passport to the future, for tomorrow belongs to those who prepare for it today. A quote by Malcolm X. At RIM Institute Ghana, we prepare you with the skills, knowledge, and confidence to succeed in today's world. Contact us on +233 54 063 8333 or +233 50 539 8935. Email info@riminstitutegh.com. Address Community 25, Tama, Greater Accra.
So what did you people get from this? This is the real design. First, we were seeing the video, but this is the design. This is how it looks like in Canva. What are you guys seeing, please? So you can see here, you can see the timeline. That's correct. And you can see that we have been able to place some footage down here, images, there's transitions, animations in it, right? Then we have a voiceover, and then we have a background audio, right? This somebody will say you didn't do it in Canva, but it is done in Canva. You can also do it. But I want you to see this again. You can see this. Claim-free pro trial. It was not a pro thing that we used. So somebody can use pro, all right, but we choose not to use pro. Let me play it again, and you observe.
Education is the passport to the future, for tomorrow belongs to those who prepare for it today. A quote by Malcolm X. At RIM Institute Ghana, we prepare you with the skills, knowledge, and confidence to succeed in today's world. Contact us on +233 54 063 8333 or +233 50.
And the voiceover and then that of the text are following. You just don't scatter them there. Are you getting it? We have from the beginning here a code that as the person starts to talk, the code is being written
Education
out.
is the passport to the future. For tomorrow.
You see that? As the person is talking, then you have it followed. So whatever you have, if you want to work with voiceovers, then you must be, are you getting it? You just don't put the text there, but you must follow the person's voice. Are you getting it? And you make sure that you cut your scenes according to how the voice is being spoken. You just don't place it anywhere that you want it. But the voiceover is now going to be a guide to you on how you are going to cut and position each and everything that you are going to put in your design. So when we have it from here, from the very beginning here, when we press,
education is the,
you see that when it started education, then the write-up started. Are you getting the point? When it started education, and that's when the write-up started. So this point, there is nothing there. When I press,
education is the passport to the future, for tomorrow belongs to those who prepare for it today. A quote by,
you see that? So when they are done talking about the code by Malcolm X and all that,
Malcolm X.
Then they are talking
At
about
RIM Institute Ghana, we prepare you with the skills, knowledge, and confidence to succeed in today's world.
Everything. And after that, contacts are coming next. So you don't let these videos continue being there when you are trying to show the people the contacts to contact you.
Contact us on +233 54 063 8333 or +233 50 539 8.
So somebody will ask me, why is it that I didn't wait for the email and the address to be mentioned before? But you know, there are some people, some viewers or some audience that we have on social media, they will not watch all your, let me just say, they will not watch all your video or your clip before deciding. Are you getting it? Somebody may be thinking of getting an email and somebody wanted address and was not getting that yet. It's only getting your contacts and they can turn off. So when you are giving contacts to somebody and you know that you are at almost the 30-second range, at least all of it should be spelled out. Are you getting it? All of it should be spelled out so the person can be able to see it. So you can see that all the contact was already spelled out when it got to that of about 25 seconds. But the whole video went for about 48 seconds, 47 seconds, right? whatever. So you can see that all the things that you are doing here is just like you are being creative, you are planning it and you are doing it. It's not that you just pick it up and then you do it. Are we okay? So before you even plan or putting things together, you must know okay. First thing, you must get your shots, the thing that you want. If you don't have the shots and you have that of your voiceover, it is fine for you. You can get the voiceover. Now use the voiceover to get your shots. Are you getting it? So use the voiceover, get your shots, then you now sit down and now do the cutting and make sure that your shots matches with that of your voiceover. And when you are done with that, you can get any background sound and put it on it. Then you use your animations and everything to make it look more beautiful and attractive. So the transition and everything looks smooth. Are we okay? Please, any
Yeah.
question?
Yes, please.
There's a question. I want to know, can you use a Canva to do a voiceover?
With the Canva, I haven't used it for voiceover. There are other tools that are doing it better because the AI that we have here, Canva is mainly for design stuff. So those of you who did the Python programming with us will get to understand that when we are training a model, we are training it with some specific data. Okay, so the AI models that definitely will be using Canva, I think the models will be more into design. So for you to get the accuracy with voiceover and all other things, I would not really recommend using the Canva voiceover, but I've not used it. I've not even tried it before, but I have other tools that I use for voiceover, and that is what I normally use for voiceover. Another thing is get yourself to sit down, read your own scripts. It's your script, it's your voice. Your voice is natural. If you don't have a good voice, get someone who can be able to get the voiceover done naturally, nicely for you. Are we okay? Especially those who want to speak in the local dialect, like Chi and then the rest. It will become difficult for you to be able to sell if you don't have someone to translate it or get it done in the local dialect. Have I answered your question?
Yes, please.
Okay. Any other place? Any other question? I believe there's no other question again. What we did here, we have been able to download that, and that was it. And this one, you can post it on any of your social media. One thing I did not tell you was how to be able to change your font colors and then the rest. It's not the only color. When you just take a template, you just use it like that. No, you can change a whole lot from what is in it. You can pick that of the font color, which is here. In Word, we call the font color, but here they just make a text color, which is easier for you to understand. So the technicalities will not be there to disturb you. So I will just click on that of white, and then you see the white there. Now we come here, we have effects. When I click on effects, I can see here, I can put a shadow, I can put a stroke, I can put any other design that I want to put. You can see that when I click on that, this is what I get. So I can customize it if I want it to go down a little bit. I want it to become bigger a little bit. Then if I want to change it to this, it goes there. Change to that. See that? So it becomes easy for you to be able to change them to suit what you want. If you also want to change this color, you can also change it. If you want to increase the size or reposition them to look different, you can do that. This one can be here. Then you make this a little bit longer. Change the alignment from here. When you click on alignment, you can be able to change the alignment to whatever alignment you want. So if you want center align, you can just keep clicking till you see the center line.
Canva. I don't see any.
Yes, who's talking, please? I'm listening. Is anyone talking, please?
No, please.
Okay. So you can change the design. You can see that I've changed everything. It looks different here. I can choose what. And one thing is that always, okay, pay attention to the guides. When I put it here, you see that the guide has been able to tell me that this is the center. When I keep sending it upwards, I'll get the center of what? The horizontal. Then I keep sending it this way and this way. I get the center of what? The vertical. You can now intersect them then you have all of them being centered. So now what I'm holding right now is in the middle of my design. But if I want it vertically centered, but not horizontally centered, I can keep on dragging it down. When I'll get to the point where I want it, then I'll just move it horizontally. Then I'll get a guide to snap it this way. Then I know that I'm putting it at the center. Now with my alignment, when I click on this, I'm at the center. Now I know that I can check it again. Then I'm at the center. Are we okay? So this is a design that you did, and you can easily center them. When you take this one too, with the same guides, you can center it. Use your alignment 1, 2, then you're on center. This one, they're all centered. So now you can see that the design that we had already has been changed to look differently from how it was. You see that? Now we can also add other things like shapes. Come here, element. There are a whole lot of things that you can see here. We have shapes. Let's see. Is there anyone here who joined the Photoshop tutorials yesterday?
Yes, please.
Please, your name. Did you ask me of how we did the QR code?
Yes, please.
So this is the interesting part. You can even use the Canva to get a QR code done for you easily. When you come to the elements, you click on search, type QR, then you add code. Press enter. Now you see something here, URL. Type your website, www. Then you have what? riminstitutegh.com. Click on generate. You see there?
Yes.
Simple, right?
This one is simple. So this, can you use only websites, or you can use maybe PDF documents or pictures?
Yes, you have to put the link of the PDF there.
Oh, okay.
The PDF that you're talking about should be accessible online, right?
Yeah,
So
yeah.
you put the URL of that PDF there. I can even put my WhatsApp there, my WhatsApp link, somebody to contact me on WhatsApp there. So what is there right now? Anybody can scan it and tell me whether it's working or not. So kindly scan it and let's see whether it will work for you or not. I just need like 2 or 3 people to scan it and they'll tell me that, oh yes, it's working. Just leave it on the comment, please. If you scan it and it works, just screenshot it and put it on the platform. Let me see that you are really getting it. Just scan the QR code here. I'm waiting for just 5.
So can you please take us through it again? I think it was a bit fast.
Somebody did it. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. So the QR code is working. You said I should take you through again with the QR code.
Yes, please.
Somebody also said it's working. That's right. Good, 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 good. I'm just trying to get people who are able to scan it and then get it. Let me see. I've gotten about 2 people. I need an additional 3. Let me see. I don't understand anything here. DHL. Who's DHL? Please speak. It works, please. DHL. Okay. Why don't you understand, please? The QR code side that you don't understand. But you followed everything. You are okay with everything. It's only the QR code side that you don't understand.
Yes, please.
That's fine. I thought I was supposed to go over everything. So Ernestina got it. Blessed Benjamin also got it. So that is fine. That's a good one. So you guys are doing well. You're doing great. I know that I'm not wasting my time. I'm at least teaching you something. So the QR code, for you to place the QR code here or to add it to your design, because now that is a trend. If you want to look, what do I say, professional, almost all designs, you always see QR code on it. So how do we get that? In Canva. So in Canva, you can easily get it free, but there are also other premium ones that you can get on Canva if you want. When you get the premium or the pro, you can easily get it there. So when you click on that of the elements, you see a whole lot in the elements. We have tables, frames, a whole lot. Emojis are there, vectors are there, bar charts, a whole lot, and tells a lot. You can even put a sticker there that will just come and be popping up things like this. but this is not what you want in your design, so you take it out. Now, what you're looking for is QR code, please. You come here to the search bar and search for QR code, QR code, and you press enter. When you press enter, you see what QR code, add a URL, and we will create a QR code for you to add to your design. People can scan the QR code to reach the URL. So whatever you put inside here is going to be the QR code. Are we getting it? So you can come down here to customize it. Are we okay? If you have your company colors and you want to customize them to your company colors, let's say here we want to put red and black is fine. Or something like gray, it shouldn't be too red. Now you enter the link to that, your file, your website, your document, your profile, your portfolio, whatever it is that you want to link to with the QR code. What you just have to do is to search, type that link there. So I typed RIM Institute there, riminstitute.com. You see that? When you are done with that, this margin things, you can choose to increase it or reduce it, but sometimes it's good to leave it small so the margins will not be that big. Then you click on what? Generate. Then you can see that your QR code has been generated. Are you getting it? That doesn't mean that you cannot what? Edit it. Maybe if the color that you have chosen here, you don't like it, you can quickly edit it. So you come here, click on that of your color here, go to black, then click on what? Update. You can see that the color have changed. Are we okay? The background, you can choose to change your background to something different, looking like orange. Then when you're okay with that, you update it. You can see what is happening. You can increase the margin and then you update it. You see that? Are we okay? Please, those who were not clear from the beginning, I'm waiting for you to say something. Are you okay? Okay.
Yes.
So if you are okay, then that means we can proceed. So you can adjust your margin to any that you want. You can also keep changing your color to finally get the right color that you want. But I want to maintain my color as this. That's fine. So with this, we can say we have a simple design that has been done. We can easily post this on social media and we'll get everything working.
Mr. Naba, I want to ask something with the QR code.
Yes.
Assuming you are not looking for maybe your website, I suppose
Yeah.
you need a location to maybe your school.
Yes.
That one, how do you go about it?
Okay.
Because I only see URL here. Yeah.
Yes, I'm seeing all the URL. Then to how you can use QR codes too. You can get the premium ones. Are you seeing from down here? When I scroll down, I search for QR code. I can scroll down here. I can see more of what the QR codes. But I'm also saying that anything that is online has a link.
Okay.
Okay. Anything that is online has a link. So let's do this. Let's do this. Let's type RIM Institute. I don't want the website. When you type RIM Institute, what do you see? The website is here, and then the business profile is here. I believe you can see.
Yes, I can see.
This is on online, just Google search. But when we come here and we want to locate RIM Institute, maybe I first of all want to see how it looks like. I'll click on it and see the pictures. So RIM Institute is here. Okay, this is the building of RIM Institute. Okay, then you are able to see everything that is here. Now, let's say you want to check for what? The direction. When you click on the direction here, you'll be able to locate it on the map, right?
Yes.
The same way, you can share this. Are you getting it? Have you gotten the link? I see that.
Yes, I can see it.
Yes. So this is the link that you can use. So when you click on what? Click to copy what? Link. I've copied this link. Now I have it. Now let me go into my design. I click on this, my QR code. I want to edit it. Now I want not to use that. I want to put this one here. Okay. Now I want to
Mhm.
click on what? Update. Now I've updated it. My QR code has looked different from this. So please, anyone with a phone right now, just quickly scan this. Let me see what it will give you. Will it give you location right now or to not give you? Has anyone done it? Please post it if you get it.
I have it now.
Benjamin, you are having a challenge when you are using your phone trying to search for the URL, the QR code on I'm not using a phone. Let me try again. Let me try my phone and see. I can't remember using my phone to work on Canva, but I think I just downloaded it. Let me try it so that I can assist you. Okay. Aisha has done that. Let me check. Yes. You see that? You see that? It has given you the location, right? So you can now just go straight and get the map. Are we okay?
Yeah.
Please, the one who was asking of the location, have you tried it yourself?
Yes, I've tried it.
Did you get the location?
Yes.
Okay. So when you clicked on the direction there, it sent you to the map and you can now use it, right?
Yes.
Any other person with difficulty? Let me quickly search for what Benjamin is facing right now. Then I will see how I can resolve that. So, okay. Please, let's try and see whether we can design the same thing quickly and then we'll go. Those of you who will be looking for the same video, let me just post the video on the platform so that you can see it and use it. So this is the video that we used, 18 seconds. Anybody can download it from your site and then also use it. So I'm trying to create a project and I search for the QR code. So Benjamin, I'm trying to get to a problem and then see how I can help you get your QR code. So here I'm in. Now I'll go to elements and I'll search for QR code. Hello, Benjamin. I think let me do it, record it so that I can put it on the platform. Those who are using the phones, they can also follow the same procedure. So I have something like this. I want to put QR code here. So I will go to elements. I click on elements. Elements will come and I search QR code. QR code autocorrect is trying to, then it will load. You will see the same thing here. Then you type it here www.braininstitutegh.com. Autocorrect is trying to make my work difficult on phone, but that's the reason why I just don't like using phone for editing. Okay, so when I'm done with this, then I can click on generate. Then I have my QR code here and I can position it. So this is how you get the QR code. I'm putting that on the platform. So I've just done it on phone, but using the phone is not really that easy. So it's difficult. Sometimes you want it to be done this way and it's not going that way. So it's best that you use your computer to do it. So it's just 2 minutes, 2 minutes. So those of you using the phones, finding it difficult to get the QR code, where to be able to place it. I just did a phone version and I'm pasting it on that of the group. Any other question again? Any other question? So you all have it. Now we are done with this one. We can quickly export it and then use it. So right now the time is 4:25. What we should be expecting is that what I showed you earlier on, that of tomorrow, we should be able to do this.
Education is the
Something like this
passport to the
done.
future.
Not only this, we should be able to get something like this done. When we play this, something like this, we should be able to get it done. So this one, we don't have voiceover. Okay. So something like this. You can see how it is being done. We should be able to do that. Maybe something like this should also be able to do it. Should be able to do something like this. So those who don't want to use all the plays, should be able to do something like this. So these are just short ones with sound on the background, with animation, with text. That is just all. So what we did today is just like a normal flyer that we can post on TikTok with a short video. And this one that we have, we can put TikTok video on it, or we can even add something on it ourselves, but maybe that may not be necessary. Sometimes we don't really need to put audio on it when we want to post it on TikTok, because TikTok already has its own trends, right? Where are my ladies? You are the people that made me come this way. So the TikTok, I believe some of you know the trends, the audio that is trending. So when you get your video and you're about to post it, you only look for the trending audio. You know that when you use it, you become more viral. Then that is what you use. Am I right, my ladies? Are they there?
You are right.
I'm right. Okay. Thank you. So today, this is what we have done. Has anyone been able to do something? Please kindly post it and then we'll see. I think I have a message here. Please, I will send what we just did in the group for revision. DHL have done that, right?
Yes.
We have done what we have done already. You have designed it.
No, I haven't done that. I just want to get it well before I do my own. I want to get everything. Well, that's why I'm asking if you can send.
Okay, please, will you send like a video recording? Yes, I'm doing a record, so you don't have a problem with that. It would be a little bit large. If I'm to send it on the platform, it may, I don't know, it may be heavy for some of you to download, especially those phone users and areas where the network is not that good. So what I'll do is that I would give it to the media team here so that they would upload it to YouTube, our YouTube channel, so that anybody can go there and then get it easily. So you can even save it at a lower version or reduce the, what should I say, the resolution, so that you can easily watch the video and listen to everything that we have done so far. I believe that is a good idea. He said, hello? He said he can contain it.
Please, you can continue.
We can continue. Oh, that's fine. So what we have done so far, let's see those who have followed so far, and then they will send their works maybe on the chat or on the WhatsApp page so that we can see what we have been doing. So now, please, let's all start something new right now and build something on our own, okay? We are designing something for Rim Institute, but this that you are designing is not for the school. I think some of you are already working at different places. Some of you have business that you are doing. So what I want you to do is that you come to the home, click on new, and pick the size that you want to. Maybe let's go to that of the TikTok again. Maybe video, if you want to go with video, but I think what we did today was that of the story. So just click on the TikTok story. It opens a new one for you. You go to the rename, then you change the name to whatever you are going to do. Tutorial 02. Then I'm done with that. Now you come and pick a template from here. Click on elements. I'm saying elements. Design. Then you'll be able to see all the templates here. So you can pick from any template that you want here. And I want you to customize it to suit whatever business or whatever advertisement you want to do. If you're into the clothing industry, please just quickly do that. We don't have much time. The time that we have right now is just like 28 minutes. So let's just use this small time that we have to create something so that we can share it on the group. Okay, this is our first quiz, and at least we should be able to get some small marks from that. Did we understand? Are we all good?
Yes, please.
Okay,
Yes.
so let's quickly do that. Now we have 27 minutes more for it to be 5. So let's do this in 15 minutes. Can we do that in 15 minutes? So you can choose any from here, but bear in mind, if you don't have Pro, don't choose the Pro. The one with the crown, don't choose it, please. If you choose it, you finish using it, you cannot export it until you pay for the Pro. So you can choose anything, just like you come here, this one, there's no crown there. You choose it, you have it in, then you edit it to suit what you want. Are we good? It
Yes,
shouldn't be the
please.
same video, it shouldn't be the same template. Whatever you send, I'm going to check the templates and make sure that it is not just the template you are sending. Please don't send me a template and then put your own ideas in it. If you are into fashion, you can take a template that looks like fashion. If you're into real estate, take a template that looks like real estate. Put some contacts on it. You can even put a dummy contact that does not link to anybody. Then you just put it there just for your 5 marks. Okay. So I'm customizing this. Maybe I'd like to go and change my clothing. So I'll customize this. So if I come to elements here, the elements is not only that of frames that we have can have videos there. So I can just type white clothes and I hit enter. Then I'll see all clothing. When I want a video, I click on video and I'll see clothing, a lot of it. So we search for only QR code. Now we can see a lot of clothing here. So I can choose to bring this one inside here. That's on the background there. Then I bring another one here. Can you see that? I've also finished customizing mine. I want to change how it looks like. 27 minus 15. What do we get? So that I know the time that you guys should stop work. And then if you are not able to submit your own, you don't have your 5 marks, please.
My phone is slow, so I think maybe unless I got home before I can do this size.
It's freezing. Fine.
Yeah.
So 12 minutes. So I'm supposed to be left with 12 minutes to be able to do other things. So 60 minutes minus 12. So when it is 4:48, then I think everybody should be done. So without doing bias, let's just make it 12 and 450. Everybody should be done, I'm sure.
If you want to delete and use something new, which one? Where would you go?
576 648 126.
That's how you boss.
I'm sure we are almost getting done. We're almost done, right? Sir Benjamin was able to submit his work. I believe we are all done now. So without wasting my time, it is almost 5 right now. So we can just wrap up whatever we are doing now so that tomorrow we'll continue to do more. So now we are how to be able to customize your design. When you pick a template, you know how to be able to do the customization. You know how to add images, videos to that of your design. So you can choose to bring this one inside anytime to make your work look different. You can choose to customize it the way you want it. This can be your company color, any color of your choice. Click on the color and see all types of colors. You can click select more, and then you see more grades. If you don't want that, you close it. You can go back again, go to gradient. You see different types of gradients here that you can use. If you want a gradient like this, you can use deep blue, you can use it, black, and that of gray, you can also use. Please, my people, are you there? I think some of you are so much onto your work, and I think this time is 4:51. So you should be done with your work now. And those of you who are done, I'm giving you some extra time. Do your work, post it with your name on it, on the group. Okay. So I'll leave this remaining time for you to finish up your work and then post it on the remaining group. So tomorrow, hopefully, we'll be meeting again to wrap up with everything that we are going to learn in Canva. So for now, we'll call it a day. But if you have questions, please, you ask your questions now before we call it a day. Are you guys there?
Yes, please, you are here.
So I'm going to give you that time, the extra time, like the 8 minutes and even more. Those of you having challenges, your phone is slow, your computer is slow, your network is slow, and you are having difficulty to complete this task. Use this time to be able to complete your task and post it on the group. So I'll be waiting for each and every one of you to post your work, and then that will be for your assessment. So hopefully tomorrow, God willing, we'll meet and finalize with everything. So if there are no questions, then I'll say bye-bye for today.
Bye bye. Thank you, sir.
Thank you too for coming.
God bless.